Hey everyone, welcome back to Vegas Room Tours and Beyond. We are at the Sahara, and this is the Alexandria Tower iconic king room. Now, it's been a minute since I've stayed here. Last time I stayed here it was actually the SLS, but now it is back to the Sahara under a new ownership group, and they've done some renovations. They've taken down a lot of the quirkiness of the hotel when it was the SLS, but they kept a lot so they didn't have to spend too much on the renovations. Now, the casino is completely redone, and most of the resort is completely redone, but you can see the touches of the brief period it was the SLS, especially here in the Alexandria room. Right when you enter, there's a dimly lit kind of like hallway corridor here. To the right is the bathroom that we'll get to in just a second, but they kept a lot of the quirkiness here. I don't know which, this might have been the Story Tower, I can't remember at this point, but so right when you enter there is this archway, and then you can tell right away that this is a holdover kind of from the SLS because this is a fabric wall. So we're going to walk into the main bedroom here. They kept a little banquette here. They kept a lot of the little details that made this room quirky. So chandelier, the wall treatments that are just fabric coverings here, all across the room. They kept a lot of the mirrors. There's mirrors everywhere. So right when you come in, this is 490 square feet, so it's not terribly big. It's a good size for a standard room on the Strip, but I believe this is it's going to be a little bit more expensive than their standard room. So king bed here. Light fixtures, like I said, are holdovers too. You get one right here, and they still have these kind of old style funky dangly pulls. Turn that back on. Oh. On either side of the bed. Chandelier, like I said. TV is up against the wall still. And then I do like the furnishings here because it is different for the Strip. So chairs like this are pretty funky, and they're not like cheap quality either. They're pretty decent quality. You get a little table, a metallic log stool / ottoman. They don't have anything in the mini bars anymore. They're just fridges, so I guess that's good because they're not going to gouge you with stuff here in the mini bar, but you can use the space now, so I put some waters in there. And you do get 2 waters in the room. They refresh it every day, give you a couple of waters a day. That's nice. Desk area, another mirror. All in all, the bedroom area is pretty spacious in this room, the iconic king. Another holdover from SLS, although I don't know if this is the same mirror that they had on the ceiling, but they do have a mirror on the ceiling. Now this room that I'm in has a strip view. We're on the 12th floor, so you can see down to Fontainebleau, Resorts World, the Hilton Grand Vacations Club. Then you can see over here what used to be the Lucky Dragon, and then peeking out over there is the Bonanza gift shop on the corner of Sahara. You can kind of see the pool down there. And now going into the bathroom, another quirky part of this room. So your closet, it's a long hallway. It's a long hallway into the bathroom, long and skinny. So on the right side is your like closet area, luggage rack, ironing board. But you get this mirror door. I don't know if you can kind of tell. It's a mirror door, sliding door, because this is the toilet right here to the left. And now with the door closed, it's a little bit private. It makes it feel a little bigger with the mirror. Walking into the shower area, you do get a nice backlit mirror, single vanity, makeup mirror, hair dryer. And then on the left is a huge walk-in shower, very good size with rain shower. The funny thing about this room as a holdover from the SLS is that it has the peekaboo into the bedroom window. So the only privacy you're gonna get is if you unfurl that fabric on the other side of that curtain. But I mean, anyone that's in the room with you controls that curtain. So may not be the best for our room if you have multiple people and you're don't want to show everything to everyone in the room. But there's that. It's very, very spacious. They have their own brand toiletries. Back into the bedroom area here. Overall, I mean, I think that what they've done here is pretty smart. They haven't spent too much, but they've kept a lot of the good things about what happened with SLS, which was that they completely gutted the entire old Sahara and renovated it, remodeled it, and made it more modern. They kept almost all of the stuff in this specific room from the SLS because there was not a lot to hate about that old SLS room. So that's good. The problem I think with the Sahara now is the same problem that I thought the SLS had, which is what is the identity of the hotel? I think it's trying to be more upscale, more like the Cosmopolitan, but there's not really many people that really want to come to this side of the strip. With Fontainebleau opening, with Resorts World, I think more people are going to find this place out because it is a really good value. Like the hotel is essentially completely brand new. They completely redid the main areas on the main floor, like the casino, restaurants, etc. But for right now, not a lot of people come here because it's still the north side of the strip. There's not much going on. So again, nice value. I mean, you can get rooms here for very, very, very cheap. Even this is not their basic room category, but it's not that expensive. I don't think it's more than $100 a day on a weekday off peak. So the people that do come to and stay here, usually you can see the festival grounds across the street. The ones that are next to Circus, they're usually there for, the tourists are usually here for the festivals that are going on there, the conventions that are going down at the convention center, which is pretty close as well. But other than that, there's not a lot going on the north side of the strip. So I would stay here again. This is a great room. It's very quirky. It's very modern, but I love it. It's different. So if you're looking for that kind of vibe, definitely give the Sahara another look. It's completely new. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Like the video, share it, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.